Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So do this before July, my brother. I hope you get a very good profit. So do this what I talk you in this video, and absolutely, I also predicate this coin, my brothers, to end July. Can they will give you a profit or not, my brothers? So let's get started this brand video without any time investment. Kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Every Stick channel will guide you and notify you for good updates now. So my brother, this time absolutely Cardano is starting moving upward and change occurring will be positive now because this is the end of month and every cryptocurrencies is moving upward, especially at the end of month now. So my brother, in July, if you are starting buying and those days, especially when the coin will starting moving upward, so definitely holders are doing this to they are starting buying. Definitely, my friend, if you also starting buy, so they will give you in July, my friend, very good profit. So this is my personal opinion, my brother. Absolutely, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, please, if you want to get a good profit in July, so I think buy today, my friend, more if you have any plan now to then buy, and absolutely they will give you a very good profit. So just in only, my brother, in the start of month especially, don't see the short fares, my friend. I will notify you to in the start of month every coin is very badly fails down. So therefore a lot, especially new holder, they are doing very huge mistake to they are starting selling. So I will notify you, my brothers, to don't see the short fails and don't decide to this is selling time. Definitely after, my friend, a first week they will starting again moving upward now. So my opinion is to please hold it and buy more. I hope, my friends, they will moving upward in the July. So buy it, hold it, and wait for a good time. See you next time, Cardano holder. This is just short message for all holder. Hope you understand, and prediction is also going to be positive now, especially in a few days this coin will moving upward more than more. So kindly, if you are a short term investor, then sell it at the end of month. I hope they will give you a profit now. But if you are a long term investor, then in July they will give you a very good profit. Don't sell it. Thanks for watching, holder. Hope you understand something new. Please like video and subscribe channel.